Okay, here's a video mostly for my students who are having problems moving things, maybe like moving a smaller box onto the bigger box. So what many of you will have tried is, say, selecting the thing and then just hitting somewhere on the object and then just dragging it, and it doesn't quite work as you're expecting. So that's the problem. Let's just triple click this one and make that a group, because I don't want these things to join when I am dropping one onto the other. I'll just triple click that one and make that one a group as well now. So they're both grouped separately, so they're not going to merge, but we still get this issue. So the thing that you need to do is be careful where you're actually clicking when you're dragging with the move tool. So I'm going to go for the corner there, the origin, and now when I click up, you notice that it much more naturally sits on top, and in fact you'll notice it snapped into the corner. So that's really handy. So let's just drag it out of the way. So I could go along, say, the midpoint as well. Have no problem at all now getting that along there. Okay. The other thing as well, positioning. Let's say if you know a definite position that you want it to be in. T for the tape measure tool. Let's just draw some guides with the tape measure tool. And this time now, when I use the move tool, I'll go from that corner, the origin, and then it just snaps into position. So it really is super easy to do. And that's it.